I'm standing in front of Frank Brangwyn's painting, A Heavy Gun in Action. It reminds me of the museum as it was 100 years ago, incomplete, a lot of the building still to be done, and in the immediate aftermath of the First World War, in which so many families in Wales had lost a son or a father or another relative. Only a year before 1920 and 1919, there'd been terrible race riots in Cardiff in which lives were lost as well. And at the same time, then as now, there was a global pandemic all the way across the world, which of course touched Wales among almost every other country too, again with huge loss of life. The museum was only partly built, and this was a time of great hardship in Wales. Nevertheless, many people were determined that we would have national institutions. And 100 years on, we have the National Museum, the National Library, and of course now the Senedd as well, all symbols of nationhood for Wales. These are very hard times. They're times when we feel fear and uncertainty. We can remind ourselves that at another time just like that, all those years ago, there was a determination in Wales to rebuild afterwards and to complete this wonderful museum with its wonderful collections. And we need to remember now that if that determination had not been there, then so many of the wonderful things that the museum has done over these last 10 decades would never have happened. Those things which are to do with understanding ourselves as a nation and learning and sharing and giving our gifts, really, if you like, of culture to each other.